Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In our today's class, we will be solving those quadratic equations and we will be using quadratic formula for it. So let's start with the very first question that we have. The first question is 3x squared plus x minus 14. So we will compare it with the general form of quadratic equation, which is ax squared plus bx plus c. As per that, I've got a equals to 3, b equals to 1, and c equals to negative 14. So I will put those values into the quadratic formula divided by 2a. So this is the quadratic formula that we have. We will put our values in it one by one. So what's the value of b? The value of b is 1. So I'll put 1 for the b. Plus minus radical 1 square minus 4. A is 3 and c is equivalent to negative 14. All of it divided by 2. What is a? A is 3. So I'll put the values in it. Now I'll further simplify it. So x is equivalent to minus 1 plus minus radical 1 square, which is 1 minus 4 times 3 is 12. Alright. And 12 times 14, that's equivalent to 168. As you can see, it's a negative sign over here and the negative sign over here. It will make the overall thing a positive, and all of it divided by 6. So now minus 1 plus minus radical 169 over 6. Alright, now I'll take the radical of it, and that's equivalent to 13. So I'm going to solve the rest of it over here. X is equivalent to minus 1 plus minus 13 divided by 6. So one time I will write it down as minus 1 plus 13 over 6, and the second time I will put it as x equals to minus 1 minus 13 divided by 6. So one time I will get x equals to minus 1 plus 13, that's 12. 12 divided by 6, that's 2. So one time x is equivalent to 2, and for the second time I will get x equals to minus 1 and minus 13, that's equivalent to minus 14. So I will get minus 14 divided by 6, and if you further simplify it, that would be equivalent to minus 7 over 3. So that's answer for the very first question that we have. Let's just move towards the second question. Okay guys, let's just solve the second question that we have. So as per that, I will get a equals to 1, b equals to 3, and c equals to negative 10. I will put those values into the quadratic formula. So I will get x equals to minus 3 plus minus radical 3 square minus 4 a c, all of it divided by 2a, which is 2 into 1. Okay, so x equals to minus 3 plus minus radical 9 minus minus plus 40 over 2. And if I further simplify it, that will be equivalent to minus 3 plus minus radical 49 over 2, which will be equivalent to minus 3 plus minus 7 over 2. Alright, so one time I will write it down as x equals to minus 3 plus 7 divided by 2, and the second time I can put it as x equals to minus 3 minus 7 divided by 2. So this time I will get it as 4 over 2. So x is equivalent to 2 this time, and for the second value I will get negative 10 over 2. So x equals to 5. Now let's just move towards the question number 3 real quick. Okay, into the question number 3, as we know, a is equivalent to 2, b equals to negative 6, and c equals to negative 36. Now I will be putting those values into the quadratic formula. So x is equivalent to minus b, which is minus into minus 6, plus minus radical b square, which is minus 6 square, minus 4a c, c is negative 36, and all of it divided by 2a, a is 2. Alright, so now let's just simplify it. X is equivalent to minus 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 plus, it will become plus 6 plus minus radical 6 square is 36 minus minus plus 4 times 2 is 8, and 8 times 36, that's equivalent to 288. All of it divided by 4. So now x equals to 6 plus minus, so 288 plus 36 is equivalent to 324, and all of it divided by 4. Now I'm going to take the radical of it, which is equivalent to 18. So I can put it as 6 plus minus 18 over 4. So now one time I will write it down as x equals to 6 plus 18 divided by 4, and the second time I will put it as x equals to 6 minus 18 divided by 4. So x equals to 18 plus 6 is equivalent to 24 over 4. So x is equivalent to 6. And the second time, let me put, so 6 minus 18 is equivalent to minus 12 divided by 4. So x is equivalent to minus 3. So now I have moved toward the fourth question. So as you can see for this one, a would be equivalent to 1, b would be equivalent to 7, and c would be equivalent to minus 8. So I'm going to put those values into the quadratic equation. Minus 7 plus minus radical 7 square minus 4 a into c, all of it divided by 2a, which is 2 into 1. So by this way I will get x equals to minus 7 plus minus radical 49 plus, okay, because this minus and this minus, they will interact with each other. So 8 times 4, that's equivalent to 32, all of it divided by 2. So now I'm going to simplify it further. So 49 plus 32. 49 plus 32 is equivalent to 81 over 2, which is equivalent to minus 7 plus minus 9 over 2. Alright. So one time I will put x equals to minus 7 plus 9 divided by 2, and the other time I will put it as x equals to minus 7 minus 9 divided by, sorry. So now x is equivalent to 2 divided by 2, which is x equals to 1 for this one. And for this one, x equals to, they will add minus 16 over 2, x equivalent to minus 8. So now I have moved towards the question number 5. So for this one, as we can see, a is equivalent to 2, b equals to 13, and c equals to negative 24. So now x is equivalent to minus b plus minus radical b square minus 4a is 2, c is negative 24 divided by 2a, which is 2 multiplied by 2. X equals to minus 13 plus minus radical. What is 13 square? That is 13 multiplied by 13 is equivalent to 169. Minus minus plus 4 times 2 times 24. So 4 times 2 is 8, and times 24 is equivalent to 192, and all of it divided by 4. So 192 plus 169, that's equivalent to 361. And I'm going to just write it down over here. Minus 13 plus minus radical 361 over 4. So now if I take the radical of 361, that's equivalent to 19. X equals to minus 13 plus minus 19 divided by 4. So now in order to find out the values of x one by one, what I'm going to do, let me put it. So one time I will put x equals to minus 13 plus 19 over 4, and one time I will put x equals to minus 13. I'm sorry, the space is less, so I'm just like trying to somehow complete it in between them. So now minus 13 plus 19, okay? So minus 13 plus 19 is equivalent to 6. 6 divided by 4 is 3 over 2. And for this one, as you can see, it's minus 13 and minus 19. They will add together, makes it 32. So minus 32 divided by 4 is negative 8. That's about question 5. So now let's just move towards the question 6 real quick. Okay, so for this one, as you can see, a is equivalent to 1, b equals to negative 5, c equals to negative 14. So x is equivalent to, let's just put those values into the quadratic formula. Minus into minus 5, which is minus b, plus minus radical b square, which is negative 5 square, minus 4ac, which is negative 14, and all of it divided by 2a, which is 2 into 1. So now x is equivalent to 5 plus minus radical 5 square is 25, minus minus plus is 56 divided by 2. So now if I further put it over here, further solve it, that's going to be x equals to 5 plus minus radical 56 plus 25 is equivalent to 81 divided by 2. So I'll get x equals to 5 plus minus 9 divided by 2. So one time I'll put it as x equals to 5 plus 9 divided by 2. And one time I'll put x equals to 5 minus 9 divided by 2. So this way I will get 14. Like 5 plus 9 is 14. 14 divided by 2 is 7. For the second one, I will put it as 5 minus 9 is negative 4. Negative 4 divided by 2 is negative 2. So now guys, let's just move towards the seventh question that we have. For this one, as we can see, a is equivalent to 2, b equals to negative 7, and c equals to negative 3. So I'm going to put those values into the quadratic formula. So x equals to minus b, which is minus into minus 7, plus minus radical, minus b square, which is minus 7 square, for a c divided by 2a. So by this way I will get x equals to 7 plus minus 7 squared is 49, minus minus plus 4 times 2 is 8, and 8 times 3 24 divided by 4. So I'll get x equals to 7 plus minus, what is 49 plus 24 equals to, that is 73 divided by 4. So we can put it as x equals to 7 plus radical 73 divided by 4, and x equals to 7 minus radical 73 divided by 4. Okay, these two are our answers, so we can put them both. So now let's just move towards the question number 8 real quick. So this is the last question that we have got, so let's just quickly solve it. For this one, as you can see, a is equivalent to 12, b equals to 9, and c equals to negative 20. So I'm going to put those values into the quadratic formula. Minus b is 9, plus minus b square, which is 9 square, minus 4ac, and all of it divided by 2a, which is 2 times 12. So x equals to minus 9, plus minus radical, 9 squared is 81, minus minus plus. So 4 times 12 times 20, that's equivalent to 960, divided by 12 times 2 is 24. So x equals to minus 9 plus minus radical 960 plus 81 is 1041 over 24. Now let's just solve it further. So x is equivalent to minus 9 plus 1041 over 4, and x equals to minus 9 minus 1041 divided by 4. These two are the solution of the quadratic equation that we were solving. So this is all from the today's class. I just solved 8 questions in front of you, okay, using quadratic formula. I hope you understood the concept. If you like the video, please subscribe my YouTube channel so you don't miss the coming videos. We'll see you in our next lesson. Bye for now.